Good morning, guys. I'm getting my eyebrows done this morning at Kelly Baker Brows because they are so like fuzzy and my eyebrows go this way. So getting my brows done, super excited. And today is an errands day. I have a lot of stuff to do. I have a lot of beauty stuff I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna pick up some clothes, keep you guys in the loop of everything. Look how cute this place is. So cute. Yeah, of course! Everybody has to be in the vlog. Alright, I just got my brows done. I have no makeup on, just brows. A little bit of shading with Kelly Baker Brows powder, right? Did you use the powder today?
I used the pencil actually.
Oh, pencil, JK! This is Brows by Kim. We're here at Kelly Baker Brows. I love them! Okay guys, I just added a little makeup literally in the lobby in there, really fast. I had some NARS mini foundation. Oh my god, it's just a mess, huh? I literally did it in this tiny Huda Beauty mirror. And then a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape. I glued some eyelashes really fast. Did a little bit of Huda eyeshadow, no blush or anything. Now I'm heading into a showroom to pick up some clothes, and I'll show you guys what it looks like in a PR showroom. There's a bunch of clothes and I could actually pick it out, so it's really cool. So we're gonna head inside and I'll see you guys in there. Cute. Oh my gosh, cute. Super cute. Just left the salon, added more extensions, just left Studio K. I would have vlogged in there, but the music, you know, and then I feel like I just didn't, I don't know, I was like not really focused. So it was like all happened so fast and I was like chatting. So going back to my car, oh, I'm gonna pay for the parking ticket station so I don't hold up the line. But I love the hair. And we're back, guys, at the gym. Oh my gosh, yesterday was so scary. I went to the doctor. So today's Sunday, and ever since Friday night. So Friday night I went to bed, and then I woke up in the middle of the night, and the room was spinning. It felt like my bedroom where I sleep in, was like melting. Like literally, I felt like I was falling. It was so scary. So in the morning I just like slept because I was like, okay, I'm just like sick or something. So I kept sleeping. I kept waking up, trying to get up. I couldn't walk. I was like falling over, toppling over. It was so scary. So I Ubered to the doctor late afternoon because I was like, you know what, I can't be sleeping all day. There's something wrong with me and I don't know what it is, and it's not like a flu. So I went to the doctor and they told me that I had vertigo, which had never happened to me in my life. So I was like, oh my gosh. They prescribed me medication. I took it. And this morning I feel good. So I came to the gym, and I know I'm supposed to take it easy, but I have a trip that I have to go to and I need to be snatched. So I came to the gym. I think I feel okay. Like I'm walking fine. I drove here fine, but it was so scary. But I'm back at the gym, and if this has ever happened to you, let me know in the comments below. They said that mine isn't benign positional vertigo, so depending on how I position my head, that is how like it reacts or whatever. So if you guys had this, let me know in the comments below. It's so scary, but I gotta run to the gym class. I'm doing best butt ever, best abs ever, and the cut, so kickboxing. So I'll see you guys later, and I'm so happy that I'm healthy and back to normal, sort of. Like I still feel like a little bit like, I don't know, like, you know, I think I'm still terrified of like what had happened yesterday, but I slept all day because my mind was literally like spinning. It was so scary. But yeah, I'm gonna still work out, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Okay guys, I just did the Pilates workout. I know I have lashes on, but it was a Tarte event, so I put on a little bit of lash, no makeup on, and oh my gosh, I wish I could show you guys my whole outfit. It is from Blogilates Pop Flex Official, but it's like so cold out, so I'm not gonna take this off. But inside, I had it off, and I took a bunch of selfies, little selfie videos. I'm gonna insert two picture here of my entire outfit, and hopefully I can show you guys actually at home, but I'm running to the hair salon, so maybe I'll show you guys the hair salon. But it is so cute and I love it so much. It is a little constellation fit, and yeah, we did reformer Pilates and it was like so hard. Actually, I'll show you in the reflection. Oh, you can't see it really. But yeah, it is so cute. You guys will see it on my Instagram. If you guys don't follow Blogilates, she has the most amazing videos online for workouts and cute outfits as well. Okay guys, as promised, I'm going to show you guys the Blogilates Pop Flex official Constellation sports bra and pants. So cute. This is what I wore to the Tarte Pilates event this morning. So I wore this. Then, as you guys can tell, I actually went to the hair salon really quick and I forgot to vlog there because it was like so quick. So I got a toner. Right now I do look very, very bronzed because I did get a spray tan last night. So this is my spray tan, and it actually is backlit, so I look even darker right now. But I just got my hair toned. As you can see, it is a little bit ashier. So I just got home. I am going to now get ready for a Dose of Colors event. So I'm going to put makeup on. I literally have nothing on. The sirens are going off too. It's a little crazy, but I just wanted to show you guys the top and the outfit because it's so cute. And if you guys don't know Blogilates, you definitely have to check her out. She has the best workout videos, and I'm definitely going to do a workout video, or a workout, one of her workouts, like watching it and doing a little ab workout when I go to Vegas tomorrow. So I'm gonna be in Vegas tomorrow, so I'll be doing a little workout there because I won't be able to work out before. So definitely gonna be vlogging that. Oh my gosh, I need to put makeup on. I need to glam and get ready, and I'm gonna go to a Dose of Colors Truffle and Stone nude lipstick launch. I don't know exactly what it is because they haven't announced it yet, but I'm going to the launch right now, so I'll see you guys there. Bye. Hey guys, so I switched over to an Uber ride to head to the Dose of Colors event because I figured I could vlog and talk to you guys, and tomorrow I'll be in the car and like the plane and stuff too, so I'll be able to vlog then. But I kind of wanted to like not wrap it up, but like explain what's been going on in the past few days. So today when I went to Pilates and then the salon, and then I came home and like glammed to head out, this is kind of like an events day, or not a typical day. Oh, well, the salon is kind of a typical day because I do go a lot to like get my hair fixed or toned, and I do like, you know, head to the salon a lot because the salon is high maintenance. But going to events is like an every few days sort of thing. There are a lot of beauty events, so the exercise thing, sometimes they do have workout events, and those I like always make sure I go because I love workout events. I love working out anyways, and I'm gonna go anyways, so might as well like do two things, you know, at the same time. So I think it's amazing. I don't like to say the saying to kill two birds with one stone because I feel like that's like animal cruelty, and I don't know, I feel like it's such an old saying, so I don't use that. But now I'm heading to the Dose of Colors event. It is a brunch. I'm a little bit late, but beauty events, well, if you guys are influencers, you guys probably already know, but beauty events are, they typically run a little late, like, you know, everyone kind of like trickles in, and it usually starts a little late, so hopefully it's a little late and I'm not like too late, and I'll make it on time. But I purposely didn't wear any lipstick because the launch is this Truffle and Stone limited edition collection, and Truffle's my favorite nude liquid lipstick from Dose of Colors. It's literally my favorite, so I'm gonna try on the new formula and just like put it on for you guys. So I'm gonna do that. My spray tan is so good. So they sprayed my face. I'm actually just wearing the NARS Barcelona foundation, and it blends really well. I feel like my foundations are all like, all the shades are made for my spray tan. I do have a spray tan on a lot, so yeah, I really like it. And the bronzer I'm using is actually from Milani. I really love that shade as well. And yeah, so we are heading to Il Pastaio, which is an amazing, yummy Italian restaurant. I've been like super healthy, eating really clean for like the past 2 weeks, but I did get really sick over the weekend, and I got vertigo, which is like something so like never had it in my entire life. And I did some like blood tests and stuff. So always make sure you are healthy and doing everything you can. I'm still doing everything I can, and I still get sick, so I do need to also make sure everything here is also okay. So I think I sometimes people are driving a little crazy. Sometimes my illnesses come from like being stressed and stuff. So yeah, so I can't wait to go to Dose of Colors, and my outfit is this nude dress from Pretty Little Thing. It's a sweater dress. It is so cold actually in LA during the day, so you gotta wear sweaters and sweater dresses. I always wear sweater dresses. I love them so much because it's so fun and cutesy and still sexy at the same time. So yeah, I'll vlog there. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
We created 2 sets. It's the Stone and Truffle set. When I created the colors 5 years ago in 2015, I never thought for 5 straight years it will be our top 2 sellers. So I thought why not create a set that includes more than just the liquid matte lipstick. So in the sets you will see lip liner, our OG liquid matte lipsticks, lip gloss is the same formula as our glossy lip glosses, and our new formula, Velvet Mousse, which feels very comfortable on the lips. Again, it's a matte, but not as matte as our liquid matte lipsticks. So I hope you guys enjoy.
That baby is so cute. So pretty. Yay! So the menu looks so cute. Look at the menu. And they made me a no cheese. Everybody else got cheese, but they made me a dairy-free yummy salad. They're so catering. They do dairy-free for me. They like make like the no cheese one for me. Yeah. Everyone else has like the little cheese.
How well you know Anna, and how well you know Dose of Colors, and how well you keep up with our social media. So
Look how cute the decor is. Oh yeah, and look, Aaliyah. Hi. Outfit, so long. Look at her. Oh my god, no. But her outfit is everything. You look, your makeup and everything. Thank you, babe. Okay guys, I'm going to show you guys my outfit right now. I came back from the Dose of Colors event, and I wanted to vlog my outfit before I left, but you know, it just got a little bit like rushed and too hard. So yeah, I just got back. This is what I wore there. This is a Pretty Little Thing, super cute sweater dress. I love it, and it like ties, and it's super warm even though it's like maybe like 60 degrees or like high 50s, like 59, 60. I don't actually know. I think it had said 71 in the car, but it was not 71. It was like freezing, so it was like 60 or something. This sweater dress kept me really warm. I also ate dairy-free pasta that they made for me. I shouldn't have eaten that, but I did. I just want to show you guys my outfit. Usually I don't wear shoes in my bedroom, but I really had to show you guys the outfit. These shoes are from Revolve. They're from the brand Ray. I'm going to take off my shoes immediately because I really don't want shoes in here. In the living room I can have my shoes because it's all hardwood, but my living room is so chaotic with like so many PR packages and stuff, so I really can't show you the living room. In a little bit when I pack and clean up I will, but yeah, don't mind the background. I was getting ready. Always whenever I get ready it just gets so crazy, but I just want to show you guys this sweater dress. It's so cute. I will link everything below. A lot of the Pretty Little Thing outfits right now I've been linking in my style highlights on my Instagram. I've always actually linked everything that I really like, so I've been linking everything, and currently I'm posting a lot of Pretty Little Thing because I do have a deal with them, which I'm super happy about because I've been wearing them for years and years, and now I could take pictures and post about them and link them, and yeah, I have a little deal with them, so I think it's so amazing. Yeah, so now I have to get ready for a photo shoot. I gotta pack up some clothes and shoot some pics with my photographer Michael, one of my photographers. So I rotate a bunch of photographers, and whenever I have a brand deal or work thing I use different ones depending on what it is or their availability. So now I have to get ready for a photo shoot. It is non-stop. I literally can't even breathe or like take a sip of water, but I'm going to a photo shoot, and yeah, But I wouldn't have it any other way. You know, I really, really love this life, and thank you guys so much for supporting me through all these years, because if it wasn't for you guys, then we wouldn't be able to do this. So I love you guys so much, and now I'm off to my shoot. Bye guys. Mwah. Alright guys, I just got home, literally ripped off my lashes. I was like, I'm gonna vlog a little bit and keep them on, but that's like the one thing that I'm like, when I come home, I'm like, right away take it off. And I usually change and like just like take off my bra if I have one. Oh my god, I have a little rice on in my hair actually. Always have a little grain of rice. Saving it for later. I'm going to bed actually. I'm gonna pack in the morning. I know it's like super last minute, but I'm just like too tired. And I woke up today at what, 6:20, 6:15, and I'm trying to get back into that 5:45 grind. So I'm gonna wake up tomorrow at 4:50 a.m. and pack before my trip at 9 a.m. So I'm gonna go to sleep. I love you guys so much. I had the craziest day. Ever since I had the episode of Vertigo, which I'm like still traumatized about, on Saturday morning at 2 a.m. That's when I had it. And I know I was talking about it in the Uber, but I didn't want to be like that dramatic and talk about like an illness with the Uber driver. Like, you know what I mean? Like, he doesn't know anything. So I don't want to like talk about like an illness. So basically Saturday early morning, so Friday night, I had this like episode of vertigo, which has never happened to me ever. It was so frightening, and I still have like this like trauma from it that I feel like I have it all the time, and my head hurts so bad. And it's probably from like that time, because I had my headache yesterday and I also have it today, and I'm gonna try to just sleep it off because I don't like having headaches. So I have them all the time right now, ever since I had that. And today is Tuesday, so yeah, I've just been having a headache like Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So 4 days. It hurts really bad, and I'm probably just tired and probably affected from that. But I'm really trying to take care of myself. I've always been that way. Like, you know, like I think my food is fine because you guys know I eat super clean and plant-based, and I've always been like so good about exercising. And I still worked out 3 classes Sunday, which is the very next day, which I probably shouldn't have, but I did. And then Monday, did I work out? I'm like trying to think, did I not work out on Monday? You know what? Monday I got the spray tan. No, Monday I didn't work out. So yesterday I did Pilates, and yeah, I was just like, you know what? And I'm also on my, you know what, girl time. So I'm on that right now. So maybe it's just that too. But I just need to go to bed, and then I'll pack in the morning, and tomorrow I'll be like lively and happy. Oh, and the photo shoot right now, I did a makeup look, which is this one with the lashes. And like a half, like kind of like shoulder up or like chest up photo. And then I also shot like a campaign that I'm gonna post on social media that hasn't like, you know, been approved or done yet. So that's what I shot with my friend Michael. He's a photographer, so that's what I did, and I'll be shooting with him again, so I'll vlog that. But I have vlogged Vlogmas Day 2. That's where I went to shoot. So that was a studio that I went to right now. Alright guys, I love you guys so much. Sorry I'm like so tired, but you know, I don't want to get another episode of Vertigo. So yeah, good night. Bye guys. Mwah.